Engineering the economy, the changing nature of money. Due to changes in the money function, the nature of money has also been in the process of developing and changing by social development and supporting technology. It all started with trading, where people used to swap products and services directly. It had the problem of having no standard measure of value. When societies developed, money and metals were realized as something that could be used as a form of value. This prompted the establishment of fiat money, which is money whose value is based on the government's declaration rather than its face value. Preparations for the contemporary monetary systems were initiated. The control of money, nevertheless, involves important questions. Who truly owns it? They control it through such processes as money printing and other monopolies vested in central banks and/or relevant governments. Fiat money has been associated with financial crises and government interferences, which shows the vulnerability of the currency. From the present and into the future, deep tech, such as artificial intelligence, AI, and blockchain technology, are revolutionizing finance in ways that have not been seen before. There are massive opportunities for efficiency in financial systems from the integration of AI. Far-reaching results of postmodernism include predictive algorithms, data-driven decision-making, and automated transactions that reduce the chances of human blunders while increasing the speed and efficiency of a system. However, this digital revolution comes with some challenges. Where AI can open up new possibilities of transparency and equal access to financial resources, it also brings risks of increased surveillance, algorithms that perpetuate biases, and having one's financial lives in the hands of a few large corporations. These financial instruments could turn into devices for managing, not to mention dominating, people depending on the usage of such technologies. Are you passionate about digital currencies? You must have heard of CBDC, a present-day digital currency that's sparking interest in the finance sector. According to the Atlantic Council, 130 countries representing 98% of global GDP are moving towards CBDC. What are CBDCs? We are living in a technological era where countries are taking on central bank digital currencies to update the finance sector. It's a form of digital currency that is issued by the central bank that is equivalent to the country's local currency. With CBDCs, the reliance on traditional organizations has been reduced, and people have discovered a safer way to perform transactions. The first CBDC was launched in the Bahamas in 2020, and many have been on the way since then. Efficiency in payment. CBDCs have the potential to streamline payment systems by reducing transaction times and costs. Traditional cross-border payments can be slow and expensive, often taking several days and huge transfer fees. With CBDCs, payments are processed in real time without the need for intermediates like banks. However, the issue of freedom versus efficiency is at the heart of this change. Sorry you can't access your money. Imagine the heart-stopping moment when you realize that your mortgage, food, vehicle payment, and internet bills are all unpaid. Being rejected your life savings is even worse. No access to ATMs. No internet banking. If you have been denied access to your account because of a malfunction or outage, a tweet, or an expected appearance somewhere that is considered extreme or inappropriate, how would you justify this to any of these companies? At the touch of a button, would the arm of control stop your money? The concern is that some accounts may be closed because of unpopular political, medical, or other viewpoints on a wide range of topics. Is that paranoia or smart foresight? The force that governs governments around the world has talked extensively about public-private cooperation in finance. Is free will being challenged? If you can't access your money, is it still yours? If you are told how to spend your money, does it still belong to you? It is necessary to investigate the intricacies of the digital world in relation with having access to your assets. Are power dynamics sufficiently balanced, even though new systems demand better budgetary control? The application of deep tech in finance might help to make the monetary systems more equitable. However, it opens the door to an unprecedented level of control over people's finances. It will be claimed that some of these instruments increase freedom while others restrict it, underscoring the significance of appropriate regulation and increasing public knowledge. The future of money therefore resides in how these technologies are deployed and governed. Deep tech can be used to develop the financial systems to be even better, with increased efficiency and openness together with being inclusive. But if one has to carefully monitor these innovations, there is a possibility that instead of increasing the existing financial freedom, they can be used to consolidate the power and limit such freedom instead. Altogether, the two sides of the analytical coin, technology and ethical/not ethical control over it, define the chances for either positive or negative impact of the next era of money on the human race. Unfair advantages that exclusively favor a select few are a major concern, as is system manipulation. Be mindful of your financial future, since statistically, your faith in the system is eroding. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only. Like, comment, subscribe.